Guangdong Dreamcatch Recreation Equipment Company Limited is committed to creating a better world by encouraging playgrounds that develop healthy kids, families, and communities. Our commercial playground designs create play areas that welcome all ages and abilities, become signature gathering spaces for communities, and offer the most innovative and inclusive playground experiences. The factory has 45,000 square meters of workshops, including metal, spray painting, rotomolding, wood, soft part making, and other workshops. The first-class designing team follows the most popular design concepts on the market to create a children's playground that is most suitable for kids. You might be wondering how to design a right playground with attractive functions that kids like. How to tell the difference between different raw materials. How to understand different work technology. How to choose a playground from so many different designs. Dreamcatch has a strong sales team with excellent communication skills. They can understand your needs very well, save your communication time and cost, and help you to find your most proper choice. We have done projects through more than 100 different places abroad. Our team has experience to understand different cultures, customers' hobbies, various characteristics from different countries. We also have shipping department to handle the shipment of the containers. If you don't have any experience to import from China, let our team help you. Dreamcatch provide you one-stop service. Please follow this video to understand us more, and welcome to talk to us if you have any project to start. Thank you so much.